Hey guys, welcome to digit.in. Today we have with us the Ant Audio W56 black wired in-ear monitors earphone. What we have here is the black variant. Before opening, let's take a look at the box itself. On the side of the box, you see features such as noise isolation and explosive bass. At the back, you see the specifications of the earphones. Now, let's open up the box. The package is high quality, offering a metal box with the Ant Audio logo on it. On opening the box, you see a welcome note and some exclusive rewards. You also get a user guide, a bunch of free stickers, the earphones themselves, an extra set of ear tips, and a clip for your cable. Now, coming to the earphones. These earphones are of a tough build quality with an aluminium alloy housing. The ear tips have got ear hooks as well. They are pretty ergonomic and fits in your ear perfectly. These earphones have got high quality dynamic 9mm speaker drivers and noise isolation technology, providing a deep bass and crisp highs. Coming down the line, you see the inline microphone with a one-button remote control. This button can be used to play or pause music, skip to the next or previous track, and even end calls. The 1.2 meter cable is not braided. However, it is a flat cable, which eliminates most of the wire weight. They also only occupy 50% of the space the round cables would have taken up. Coming further down, you see the 3.5mm headphone pin, which is at a right angle for sturdiness. It is gold plated as well. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Ant Audio W56 black wired in-ear monitors earphone. Thank you for watching and goodbye.